3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Pour the descaler solution into the water tank. After the machine is powered on, long press the brew button until entering the descaling mode. The blue light of the descaling indicator is steady on. The machine pumps about 14 ounces of water by default in 1 round and heating. After about 2 minutes, the heating is completed and the brewing starts. 1 round takes about 4 minutes. After the descaling is completed, it is necessary to clean the residual descaling solution inside the machine with water. Clean and fill the tank with clean water. Long press the brew button until entering the descaling mode. The machine starts pumping. After about 2 minutes, the heating is completed and brewing starts. When the water flow stops, turn off and unplug the machine. Dry and put the parts back after cleaning.